Hi, so this is a quick video on how to add a variable product. So a variable product is a product which has a variation such as size or color. So the principles are the same when adding a variable product as they are for adding a simple product. Just again, you need to head to Products Manager and hit Add Product. The product title, descriptions, images, and categories is all the same, as is the inventory, shipping, add-ons, lead time, and policies. You need to change the product type from simple product to variable product, and it will add the new tab called variations. So heading to attributes first, this is where you would set the name and the terms of the variation, name being color, terms being blue, green, pink, and so forth. We have added some variations or attributes to begin with to make your life easier. We will also add further attributes for your future ease based on attributes that are added by vendors. So you can choose a pre-existing attribute such as color, click add. Always remember to click used for variations. This will allow the variations to then be showed on the front end. In the instance that you don't wish the variation to actually make any impact, for instance, you might have a product where there are several colors and it's whatever color you send out the user gets, you can leave this unticked, but in most circumstances you would need to click used for variations, and then the values are the values of that name that you've chosen. So color, the values obviously are going to be colors, and you can select as many colors as you like. You can also deselect, and you always need to hit save attributes. If an attribute isn't already there, you can add a custom product attribute. This will then allow you to enter in your own name and then your own values. So for instance, you could have a name saying sizes, and then you can enter in the attributes of small, medium, and large. So you need to use the separating symbol and with no spaces between them. Again, use for variations and then save attributes. Once all of the possible attributes are saved and created for this particular product, you need to then head to the variations tab, and you need to hit add variation. You need to create variations from all attributes and hit go. This will then give you a pop-up saying that we only allow 50 possible variations to be created per run. So if there are more than 50 variations, you need to do this as many times as there are. So if you have 90 variations, you need to allow the first 50 to run, do the same again. It will then create the next 40. It won't duplicate those variations. You need to press OK. And then what the system will do is it will add the variations, and here you can see it's created 9 variations. As you can see, we've got black small, black medium, black large, dark gray small, dark gray medium, and so forth. You then need to go into this product and set the information. So you need to set the prices, the sales price, and if there is an SKU, and likewise if you want to manage the stock of that product. You need to do this for all. Again, like the simple product, you can save it as a draft and come back and edit it later, or you can submit the product for admin approval.